Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we will be looking at circumference INB. So I'm going to zoom in to this star and it says circumference equals. Well, we have two formulas to find circumference and they are having to do with pi. Pi is a special number in math. We usually round it off to 3.14 and it's right here. It's also a Greek letter. So pi d. Or it can be 2. Gonna just copy this right here. Pi r. The d stands for radius and the r stands for diameter. Now, over here we have 4 labels we have to add. This label right here that's in the middle is called our center. This long line that goes through the whole circle and the center is called our diameter. This short one is called the radius. And this one that makes the circle is called the circumference. Now, if you look at my little picture over here, it shows Darth Maul with his lightsaber, one part of his lightsaber being on, being the radius, and when he has both of them, it's the diameter. So, diameter equals 2r, or 2 radius, 2 times the radius, and the radius equals the diameter divided by 2. Now for some definitions. The center is the absolute middle of a circle. Radius is a line with endpoints at the center and edge of the circle. The diameter is a line with endpoints on the edges of the circle that passes through the center. Gonna spell check. Gonna make this a little bigger because I need a little bit more room. Okay, circumference is basically the simple definition. It's the perimeter of the circle. Circumference is basically a fancy word to say perimeter of a circle. Now, we're going to solve 3 of these. The first 3, and then the last 2 you guys are going to do on your own. Notice how they do have labels, so your answers should have labels. So our first thing is to get from radius to diameter. If we look up here, we times the radius times 2. So it's going to be 20 feet. Okay, next we do diameter, or we could do the radius, either one, and we times it by 3.14. So if I pull up my calculator, I can do 20 times 3.14 equals 62.8. So I got 62.8 feet. Now to get from diameter to radius, we got to divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then if I pull up my calculator again, I'm going to be 2 times 3.14 equals 6.28 meters. Making sure I label my numbers because I don't want to be wrong with my numbers. Okay, next we're going to go from the circumference to the diameter. To do that, you again pull up your calculator and you put in 15.7 and you divide it by pi because we want to find out what d is, so we have to divide by pi. The opposite of multiplication is division. And we get 5. And then to find the radius, we divide 5 by 2. And we get 2.5. And I gotta remember that cm. Now you do the same for the last two. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye!